I'm gonna do some more video clips later, but at least want to start this video with this. Not much to say right now. I'm gonna go get some breakfast, but yeah, it's very exciting. So this is the first time I've actually sat in an Audi TT before. This is the first, I swear to God, this is the first time I've ever sat in one of these. I've actually never, I think I've seen one or two in person, but this is the first time I've ever sat in one. Seat bolstering is insane. Wow, you are hugged in it. It's pretty amazing. Steering wheel is, as people have said, the steering wheel is exceptional. I have more to say as we get, I gotta get this phone hooked up first, but wow. We have our key pocket booted up. Let's get the CarPlay connected and then we can get on the road to food. So APR recommends these spark plugs for their tune. So I'm doing those first before I leave on my trip for breakfast. All right, 5 minutes in, we have one done, but the rest of these are already unhooked. So we'll do all 5 now, probably a 15-minute job. Audi quoted me $350 labor only before parts to do this. All right, first spark plug change is done. Nice job, Adam. Parking lot pimping. All right, license plate is installed. And so we're gonna start heading out to Deals Gap. Got some beer too. I've been wanting to see what this this unlock sequence looks like. These are the OLED taillights. Not seeing anything. Oh well. So these brake lights are OLEDs and they're thin wafers. Those were a special order item. They're a $3,000 option for these OLED taillights. Only like 1 out of like 50 would actually order them with these OLEDs. And then the light bar goes all the way across the brake light. Look how wide these rear tires are. It sounds amazing. It sounds so good. Massive 20-inch wheels. And then here's the cockpit. It's the steering wheel from the R8. It's only in 2 cars. The TTRS and the R8 has a steering wheel. That's it. That's the whole interior. We might not be stopping at Deals Gap. It's a little bit of a shit show right now. I want to get a picture of it, of the sign, but I don't think it's going to happen. Oh, it's Civic stuff, Honda stuff. Honda Bros. An old Z, nice. Got some GS's over there. The Audi Quebec. A lot of Hondas. Got a cornflower blue Rabbit over there. Z4M over there as well. And the Kyalami green TTRS. All right, well. Miami blue.
That Miami blue is pretty.
Yeah, sure is. Beautiful. I gotta feel the brakes. So, calipers. Ooh, I'm not even gonna touch the brake rotors. I'm not even gonna touch them. They're hot. They're very hot. Kind of screwed up here too. Yeah, that was close. See, that was surgical. Very, very surgical. I broke traction in the front wheels a couple of times, and the rear did not really push me as much as I wanted it to. So, let's get out of here. Oh, this is my dinner.